Welcome friends to my new video, and today I am going to unbox a new watch. It is I brought it from Too Good, and it's not a refurbished product, but it is an uh, a 7 quality watch. So I am gonna show you now. This is the box, prepaid obviously. It's from Too Good. It is a sub partner of Flipkart. You can buy products from here, and let's open the box. I just cut it. So this is the main box. This is very fancy from Casio company, and let's open it. Okay, the same branding, very fancy from Casio. Okay, now this is the main watch. See, the watch is in a very good position, and the design is very richy. It's like a classy watch, no? I brought this watch almost rupees 900 something, 920 rupees. Exact price was the 920 rupees, but it is a 7A quality watch. If you want to buy the original watch, it cost almost 19,000 rupees in Indian currency. And this is some documents. This actually wrote in Japanese, so I don't know Japanese actually, so I can't read that. And this is probably, I think, the cities they had, the watch is available in these cities, and this is the number of the cities, maybe. Okay, there is another sorry. It's very tightly fit. Finally come. Okay, this is the user manual. It's also in Japanese, and this also this is in Korean words. No English is here, so just in modern numbers, and this is our English, but all the writtens had given it is in Japanese. And this is the user manual, actually, how to set up the time and other things. Okay, next about all this, the main thing, the watch, Casio, very fancy. Let's open it. Okay, this is a stainless steel back, water resistant, not fully water resistant but semi water resistant. This is this was some dust. Okay, now it is clean. You can also rub it, and they were out. The leather, it was not a genuine leather, but the build quality is not bad. It's a good quality. It is almost 3 or 4, I think, pound, 3 or 4 pound. And let's check it that it is working or not. Okay, it has the battery, and it is working. So now I stop it because I have a watch of Daniel Klein that I unboxed in previous video, and I use it for some marriage anniversary or something occasionally, not regularly, because it is very premium quality and I love it. So big thumbs up to Too Good and the Casio company to make this like of watches. Very nice quality, very nice. If someone want to buy this watch or this kind of watch, please tell me in the uh, comment section, and I will give them the link of the watches, and you can buy it from there. And it is also available in Snapdeal. Now I brought it from Too Good, but Too Good was there is no, this watch is not available in Too Good right now, so you can buy this from Snapdeal. That's all. Thank you.